First, we are going to wash our pumpkin to remove any bacteria or dirt. Then we cut it in half, which is a little difficult, but we got it. After we cut it, we are going to scoop out the seeds. I used a spoon, just a regular tablespoon. I scraped all the stuff out of it until they were nice and clean. Then we cut it into wedges, the whole thing, and it doesn't really matter what size, just as long as each of them are about the same. After we cut them into wedges, you are going to put them on a baking sheet lined with foil or parchment paper at a 355-degree oven, and we will bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour. This is what it looks like when it is finished. It's easily poked with a fork. Then I cut off all of the peeling. I did wait a good 15 to 20 minutes to start doing this, just so it was cooled off enough to not burn my hands. After I got all the peeling off, I kind of diced them up into chunks and put them in the blender with just a little bit of water so that it could blend easily. I blended it until it was smooth, and then I dumped it into a bowl. I did increments of blending just until all of my pumpkin was gone. After I was finished with that, I got some sandwich bags and I put 1 cup of pumpkin into each bag and labeled it. I laid them flat, got all the air out, and I did that until I didn't have any more pumpkin in my bowl. I think I got about 7 bags. I did overfill my 1 cup measuring cup just a little bit, just because some sticks inside of it, so that I could have a full 1 cup. After I was finished with that, I laid all of my bags of pumpkin on a baking sheet. I laid them flat. That just makes it easier for when you want to thaw one out. After they are frozen, I put all of them into 1 freezer bag, and it was ready to go into the freezer. These bags will stay good for about 4 months in your freezer. All you need to do when you need one is to pull 1 out, or however many you need, and let it thaw out and use it as normal.